How would you like to treat your loved ones to a unique and sentimental gift that is both convenient and affordable? Many of our most precious moments are the gifts we are given. Why not make it personal? According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the average American works 40 hours per week or 8.8 hours a day. As a result, we are more likely to choose convenience to help lighten the load. Hello, my name is Tamira Reed. I'm the founder of Gift in Hands. Gift in Hands helps lighten the load of how we are going to find the time to treat our loved ones. We offer fair pricing, personalized options, and convenient delivery. Time doesn't stop, and neither do we. Allow Gift in Hands to handle your gifts.